Howdy, I'm Maoli. Let me show you how to create sculptured resin tops like this for $100. Here's everything you'll need. Slow curing resin gives you more time to shape before it hardens. These will help protect the mannequin and make removal way easier later. You'll also need a large container to fully saturate the fabric, plus a respirator mask and gloves, because resin fumes are no joke. For fabric, sheer or textured materials work beautifully. I also used 2 sawhorses with pieces of wood across them to elevate the mannequin. Pause and make note of this setup. You'll thank me later. And for the rest, mixing cups, popsicle sticks, cardboard for the drips. Let's start with the plastic wrap. This will protect your mannequin and make the process of removal easy the next day.
Did you want help? You want me to come over there and hold it, or? Okay, you just wanted to be girls only, huh? Okay. I'll just hang out over here, okay?
Your mannequin should look something like this. It's time to mix the resin. But before we do, put on your gloves and respirator mask. Always protect your skin and lungs. Most resins use a 1-to-1 ratio of part A and part B. Accurate measurement is crucial. Too much of one part can prevent curing. Stir slowly for about 3 minutes to reduce bubbles. Pour your mixed resin into a large container. Fully submerge the fabric. Every fiber must be coated. Okay, watch how I drape the saturated fabric. Create a slight fold in the edges to offer more movement to the final cured piece. And you may start doing a little happy dance somewhere in the process. Shape the neckline, smooth the wrinkles, fold the edges, and define the silhouette. Resin freezes the fabric exactly as you shape it.
At this point, it's more so just working with the material to shape it the way you want.
Nope, there's a rain.
Alright guys, it's raining, so this is probably gonna
go. Did you notice the resin drips? This is why the cardboard underneath comes in handy. And when your heart is content with the results, let it cure for 12 to 24 hours. Thicker areas will take longer to cure. Patience is key. Resin hardens gradually, which preserves clarity and strength. Now we wait. I'll see you the next day. Take a pair of scissors and cut the plastic from the back of the mannequin. You'll see here how effortless it was for me to remove the plastic and resin piece. From here, you can remove your plastic wrap from your new armor. A work of art. Look at her glowing in the sunlight. But we're not done just yet. From here, you're going to trim the sharp edges with scissors, and you can also use a finely grit sandpaper to smooth out the edges. And here is the final results. I'll add some jungle shoot footage here. Try this for yourself and remember what it feels like to create just for the joy of it.